Whoa. Hear that? You hear that out there? She's blowing. Whoa. Hang on to something. Can't even hold the door open. Shit. Whoa. Big gust. Here comes Kid. Woo! Trying to hold the door. Yeah. Was that a big one? Ooh. Shiver me timbers. Woo. Alright. Shutting that door. It's hard to open. You hear that? It's blowing hard out there. See if you can hear it. Hey, is it blowing? Lily. Oh, Lily, is it blowing? Comes another one. We're on storm watch. Huh, we're watching the storm? Watch it. What's watching the storm? Lily, is it blowing? Oh, the tail's wagging. Maggie, you got your ear upside down. Trying to hear for the storm blow. Ooh. 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 Yeah. Is it stormy? Huh? You tell Lucy. Tell Lucy. Tell Lucy it's stormy here too. You tell Lucy. Huh? You gonna tell Lucy how stormy it is? Oh. Huh? Hey. Tell her. You gonna tell her? Say, hunker down. Batten all the hatches. Ooh, Lily. Oh, yeah. It's a big one. Huh, Lily and Maggie. Isn't that right? Hey. Hey, 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 hey. Knuckleheads. Oh. Comes another one. I hear that train a coming. It's blowing around the bend. Yeah. What are you doing? Dog piling? Hmm? You dog piling? Hey, Lily. Whoa. Whoa.